Before you do any cooking, the first thing you do is wash your hands. When you've washed your hands, you're ready to go. To make Play-Doh, you will need some measuring cups, a tablespoon, a mixing bowl, and a spoon to stir. You'll need 1 cup of flour, half a cup of salt, 1 tablespoon of cream of tartar, 1 tablespoon of oil, and 1 cup of hot water with food colouring added. Hi, let's make Play-Doh. I have this recipe and I'm going to follow what it says. It's 1 cup of flour. Here we go, flour. Half, see this one's bigger, 1, and this is a half a cup of salt, and 1 tablespoon of cream of tartar. And give it a stir. Now we add 1 tablespoon of oil. I'm going to measure it in. 1 tablespoon. And this is where you need a grown-up to help. You have 1 cup of hot water. So I'm going to turn the kettle on. And I'm going to add a few drops of food colouring. And I've chosen blue because it's my favourite colour. Just a little bit, oops, maybe a bit much. Now I'll just wait for the kettle to boil. I can check the recipe. Yep, so we remembered we've got flour, salt, cream of tartar, oil, food colouring and the water. And then when that's boiled we'll stir it all together. Okay, so the kettle's boiled. Can you see the steam? That's how hot it is. So I'm going to pour till it's to the top. This is the grown-up's job. And then we add it to the bowl. You see that? And then we stir it. Stir, stir, see? Until it's all together. Oh, this is very blue. I added lots. Then when it's all together, you can, see how it's all together now? Put some flour on your table. And then you put the Play-Doh out on the table, like that. Now it is still going to feel quite warm. And then we knead it. So kneading it is turning it over and pressing it down. Turn it over, press it down, turn it over. And, oh, this is a bit sticky. If it's a bit sticky, add a bit more flour. There. Turn it over. That's it. I like this bit because it's nice and warm on your hands. And then when it starts to look smooth, it's finished. Ready to play. There's our Play-Doh. Don't forget to help wash up, and then you can play with Play-Doh, see what you can make. What's your favourite thing to do? Bye for now.